Want to build a useful Flutter app as a beginner? Let's create a temperature converter app in just 80 seconds. Inside the main.dart file, create a clean interface with a text field for temperature input, 2 buttons for conversion, and a text area to display the result. Flutter widgets make UI design very easy for beginners. Now add the conversion formulas. For Celsius to Fahrenheit, and for Fahrenheit to Celsius, when the user taps a button, the app instantly shows the converted temperature. Now your app can convert temperature smoothly with a clean modern UI. And thanks to Flutter Hot Reload, every change updates instantly. High voltage. That's how you build a temperature converter app using Flutter. Like and subscribe for more Flutter projects and coding tutorials. Rocket.